Hello, guys. Welcome to another video. And today we're just playing some average Animal Company. Also gonna get some money while we're playing this average session of Animal Company. But let's get started. We are joining.
Boxing video with me.
Hello.
You know how about I just do it right here? Guys, everybody unbox them, unbox them, unbox them, open them. Guys, open them.
Lions,
toys,
Oh, I got zombie meat! It's in the flipping air!
Bro, puppy, what are you doing? Oh
I got
my
such
God,
good
bro.
stuff from it.
Hey, report the puppy,
I got
bro.
zombie meat from mine.
Report this pup dog.
Bye.
Alright, I already got his name.
Me? Oh,
Me?
that guy?
Not you, the other guy, bro. He didn't open them.
I keep forgetting.
Me?
I keep
What did I
forgetting.
do?
I just have the pug eyes, and I'm not actually a pug.
What did I do? Open it, bro. Open it. Open it.
Hey, let's go defeat this ogre! Bro, why are you reporting this? Because I'm a pug or something. If we keep them, if we never... Okay, bitch.
Bro, don't keep them, bro. What are you doing? Open them.
No.
I swear, if I get muted for like 10
Bro,
minutes,
report
I'm
this
done.
kid too, bro. I give
Oh
you
my
guys something, you don't even
day.
do what I say.
Don't head to the forest area, the boss
Down.
got
You what?
Yeah,
Wait,
see?
does anybody have teleport grenades? Can I get a teleport, like those arrows?
Boomerang!
You got arrows?
Fine.
Arrows?
Boomerang!
How are they? How are you guys? Why are you guys reporting random people when they did nothing?
Bro, because I said open them and you didn't open them, bro. Now I'm trying to kill you.
That doesn't mean they
You're not
have
the king,
to.
get out, bro. Suspend the king,
I
you're not
give you
the
something
king,
and
buddy.
you don't.
You just
don't.
think every
I tell
day.
you what to do and you don't listen. You don't listen.
That's all you do. You never touch the grass. You black ass. I swear, if I get muted for 10 minutes, I'm done. If you don't hear me speak, I get muted for 5
I'm
minutes.
going fully stacked out, bro. We are defeating this ogre once and for all.
Who wants to trade for this for a grapple? No! I'm not trading for
Great
mine.
sword.
Do you want to play Wingo?
Who wants to trade for this for a grapple? Give me a microphone.
No.
need a grapple.
No.
Wait a minute.
Can anyone please give me a microphone?
I don't own it.
Okay, guys.
No grapple.
I just found the path to get the axe.
Let him.
First,
Or you're the one that's spiny, kiddo.
we're gonna need to go to org hands. Okay, that's fine.
Hey, can we like all agree? Can we all agree on trying to kill the ogre? So, can I show you guys
Okay. The dynamite. Okay. No. Oh yeah, I'm so sick. Okay. Lance. Oh, bro, no. That is super bad. I can't lose this. Okay.
No, bro.
I can either go over there or get better. One.
Ain't my fault.
I am broke, guys, but I have officially unlocked the path. Anyway. How much does this even cost?
Guys, come to the fire!
No.
Guys, you like this?
Ooh, what is this?
Get out.
A football. That's dude. Oh, sticky dynamite. Yes, way.
Who wants Megaphone?
This also unlocks the
Me.
boomerang gun. Check my bag.
Megaphone
Oh, it's
giveaway.
Wait,
Megaphone
here's the
giveaway.
app.
Megaphone giveaway.
Explosive master. Yeah, I'm gonna get the phone.
Why is no one taking?
Who's this? Oh, it's a great sword. Oh, but I won't. Fun fact, you can actually do that, and if you have a backpack that weighs a lot, I'm pretty sure it could go down faster. No. Let's start.
You know, my microphone in the ditty.
What the hell?
Microphone.
Nope.
Scream again like that.
It's over there. I'm not.
You.
Alright.
Hello?
You, Black. Black.
What?
Black.
Guys,
Come over
You
here.
want to trade?
Come over here, Black.
What would you want for it?
Black, come over.
Hello.
What do you want this? What do you want?
That's
Huh? I don't know.
What did the ogre turn into now? RPG, boosters, bring anything, I don't care.
You have to press. You have to press on the shoot button. You have to press the shoot button and then talk onto it.
Why? What happened? Who's his umbrella there?
Your head in there.
He also doesn't attack, he doesn't
Who's his
attack.
umbrella, bro? Who's it?
Making my way downtown, walking down. Oh, yo,
What's up, guys?
guys, I believe I can fly.
What's up, guys? Why are you ignoring me, guys?
Check my steps.
Cause you're
I
gay.
can put him right hit slot. Oh yeah. Also, you can't put a lightsaber ever like that.
I mean, I need to know. Where's everyone? Wait, who wants a purple skull? Who wants a purple skull? Your mom. I want a purple skull. This.
How's? Oh good. Okay. Nope. Also two. Okay. 2 shots. 2 shots. I'd say they're about the same strength. So if you don't want to, waste money, just. I don't think it. does as much as damage to, like, yeah, 2 shots. I always forget.
Are you sure that's gonna work? Because I thought you were too fast.
Chat, I'm scared. I scared you.
I'm proud because you weigh like 269 pounds.
God damn, these people roasting them. Yay.
Dude, stop trying to call me a loser. Nah, dude, you're a loser, actually.
I already have 3 of these, but I want to give you something for that. I'm not a free eater.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes. So just what game you should play next in the comments. I'll be checking the comments
Who wants to go mining with me? Who wants to go mining with me?
once in a while, and
Who wants to go mining with me? Blue, wants to go mining
I'm
with me?
losing because red 1, 2, 3.
Blue,
Of course.
we suck. What?
Thanks, buddy.
and if you're wondering,
Wants to go mining?
Yeah. Oh my god. I sure.
Because you took my thing.
Yeah, I am. I have 4 more of these. Don't you dare try to
The code
steal.
is
no,
red 1, 2, 3.
I'm not a stealer.
Come here.
I'm just
But
making
you're
a,
gonna probably...
I'm just a casual person making a
Put it in this
YouTube
bag.
video.
Thank you, bro. Thank
No problem.
Eh,
Please
Nice.
donate.
Hmm.
1, 2.
I have it too.
Hey, Yeah?
Someone donate,
did you buy the
please.
pack?
What the?
I will donate.
And I'm fine, Allie. I'm fine.
Oh, wait,
It's
I
not
want to
there.
give you something else.
Donate.
Who
I
wants?
want to give you something else.
Oh, cheers, bro.
I'm not even
Can you
joking.
buy me
Who wants a free lightsaber?
clip?
Who wants a
Thank
free
you.
lightsaber?
I do.
Good. Who wants a free hammer?
Come here.
Cheese.
Who wants a free hammer
matter
except
how
for
much
you?
Guys,
Or got something? Who said
no,
me?
I'm not doing.
Who wants a free hammer?
Red, come in. Come in.
I do.
Okay. But do you want it in your shredder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give it
Guys,
to me.
I wanna
and I'll
leave.
shred it.
I want to leave. Bye bye.
I just want skeletons.
Wait, can you buy a shredder?
Yeah,
Can you
I'm
buy
not
a
joking.
shredder?
I can actually give you something else.
Oh. Does anyone have a shredder unlocked?
Bye bye.
Time to
Hey,
see.
bro, do you have skeleton heads? Things? Those skeleton heads?
I do. I do.
Any
Hey,
kind.
Red, come here.
Really? Really?
Why you
Really?
guys? Yeah,
I'm here.
banana. I got cheese.
Your cheese. Your cheese.
No, I'm a
Tim
banana
cheese.
too.
Hey, there's
Red
one that's
dog.
not a cheese.
Moderator,
Tag
please
him.
turn us back. Look back into human.
No, it's not a motor. It's something that happens.
Back into human. Wait, can you give us the legs real quick, Advent? I want to see what it's like with the legs. No, you deserve it.
What would you like?
I have no hand. I'm going to join that.
Yeah, you are.
fun on my bike.
Purple, you are. Can someone get me? Can someone get me?
Now drop the gun.
I'm just going to kill
No, you
myself.
don't the cops. You don't
Peace,
the cops.
guys.
Is it me or is that coming after me?
I'm not scared. I just screamed.
Hey,
Okay, cool, go.
I'm flexing on people.
He's flexing on people,
Thanks, I'm not
guys. Does anyone have? Does anyone have Nut Shredder
And
unlocked?
this is Galaxy and blue and big.
You do?
If it's
It has to be.
Yo, can I block
Who has no shredder unlocked?
Galaxy.
Please.
Does anyone have no shredder unlocked?
How do we survive that?
If someone give me a hammer. Not a hammer.
I can.
Not a hammer.
I can have here.
Not a
Hey,
hammer.
blue.
Sit down, buddy.
I said here. Now shut up.
No, it's not
Yeah.
that funny.
All I need
Be
is
quiet.
swords. Go.
Goodbye. Okay, guys.
Everybody has this, right? Everybody has this.
My special
Why
code.
did you shoot in
Yeah.
the graveyard? Are you trying to kill the Ogie boy? Yo, bro.
So-
2 days on the animal company is there's a lot of communicate.
I'm currently making a video. Bro, just like. No. Guys, that will be the
Anybody want to giveaway?
end.
Does anybody want to have a giveaway? Anybody want to do a giveaway? Anybody want to have a giveaway? Anybody want to give away? I'm gonna give it. You want code OP? You want to have a giveaway? Code. I want the giveaway, but since you're the dude, I don't want to.
Kill me before red light green light, guys. Okay, guys. So that is the end of the video.
OPIG if you wanna.